In today's video, I'll be unboxing a pretty unique G-Shock, model number GBD100BAR-4A2. This is a collaboration piece with probably the most widely known football club, FC Barcelona. This is the first collaboration from G-Shock in this GBD base model and features the club's famous red, yellow and blue colours all across the watch. The collaboration comes thanks to the sports documentary named Match Day, which followed the club in the 2018 to 2019 La Liga and Champions League seasons. Just like all other G-Squad G-Shocks, the display has great contrast and large numbering so that it's quick and easy to read while doing your training exercises. We have some Barcelona motifs all across this watch, with the FC Barcelona text right at the top of the band and the club's motto, "More than a club," printed in Spanish just below that. There's also a pattern printed on the entire band using their red and blue colours, which have seemingly come straight from their home kit. We also have the club's crest stamped into the stainless steel backing with the Matchday logo above that. This will be a great gift for the Barcelona superfan, sports enthusiast or collector. However, it's not just a collectible, it is very functional too. Casio make a great fitness watch and there are many features packed in here that will help you track your workout data. Major features include a step counter and Bluetooth connectivity with your smartphone. This is great because you can change all the settings within the G-Shock connected app and also review your unique workout data. Of course, it is completely shock and water resistant and houses a fully auto calendar to the year 2099. In terms of dimensions, this watch is quite chunky, measuring 58mm lug to lug, almost 50mm across, and 17mm thick. So there's certainly some wrist presence here, but fortunately it is super light at just 69 grams. So there you have it. Casio and Barcelona now have a watch together, and it is available online at watchdepot.com.au. Click the link in the description to find this one and many more awesome watches from all your favorite brands. And if you've made it this far in the video, comment below which sports club would you want to see collaborate with Casio next time. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe to catch more watch unboxings.